Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on exporting iMovie projects as projects on iPhone and iPad. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the project selection screen of iMovie, select the project you want to duplicate. Now tap the Share button at the bottom. On the Share screen, select Options. Change the file type at the top from Video to Project, and then tap Done. Now tap Save to Files. Choose any place on your iPhone or iCloud storage to save the project file, and then tap Save. Your project will be saved as a project file. You can now send that to other people or import it back into your own iMovie projects list. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iMovie tips and tricks.